Good morning. Today I decided to take a camera and show you around where we're actually staying in New York. We didn't pay arm and leg for it, and the hotel it's actually very cool. It's just on junction of 54th and Broadway, and the hotel it's called Courtyard. Renaissance Inn Courtyard. Very modern, fantastic location, plenty around. There is Elaine there at the other side. She's giving us a wave. As mentioned, location is quite perfect, especially if you're coming to New York for Broadway shows. You're literally in 10 minutes radius. You have most of the main theaters. So we're on the 29th floor. So yeah, the lobby looks pretty modern. Everything looks pretty modern. Carpet feels clean. You know, you can feel when they're not clean. And actually, our room it's not a corner room, but it's a little bit bigger. Now, forgive the mess. Okay, I'm not gonna show the mess. We're gonna cut to the day. We're actually cutting right now to the first day when the room was perfect and Elaine recorded the bed being made. But yes, it's a decent sized room. We have a quite cool view. That way direction we have the Billionaires Row, and just behind this building we have Central Park. Bit of construction going on, so you know, nothing you can do. If you want to be close in Manhattan, you will be surrounded by buildings. If you want to have a views, I might as well go to the other side of the Brooklyn Bridge. But yeah, the room it's spacious enough. Wi-Fi very fast. There is coffee machine. We haven't used it once. There is a space to do some work here behind me. All my gadgets and all the stuff is there. Bed decent size, very comfortable. So we honestly can't complain for the money we paid, for the location we are in, and for the standard as it is new hotel. I mean, new-ish, I would say. It's well worth it. I think we are 4 nights here, Elaine?
Yeah.
We are 4 nights here, 5 days, 4 nights. We paid 1,160 euro, which is, you know, it's for New York, I think it's quite affordable. For New York, I believe it's quite a reasonable price. Hey Chris, to make your stay a little more special, we would like to have a little drink on us. Enjoy your stay with us here. So we are currently on the 35th floor.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this for a view.
I know we did say we're gonna come to the gym, but we still haven't managed. It's definitely decent size, a lot to choose from. Not super busy now, so maybe I grab some food and come do some workout here. Now that's a very good add-on. 3 headphones. Oh, shall we check the weight? Petrified, are we?
Absolutely not.
Now we're gonna go downstairs and 4th floor and check the hotel restaurant. Starbucks. Access granted. The bar is pretty stunning. So what we're gonna do, definitely tomorrow morning we're gonna book breakfast. If you haven't, our breakfast, we didn't have a breakfast included in our booking, so it's additional $30 per person. But I think we should go try and give a go, see. And then we can probably spend some time here before we get a Uber and we head to the airport, as tomorrow we have a flight to Miami. So yeah, that's the hotel. Fantastic. Let's go out. Level 1. Yeah, so that's pretty much the hotel. It's pretty, I think it's pretty decent for what we paid.
For New York, definitely.
For New York,
You can get really
you know, you can of course get a 5-star treatment,
Yeah.
but this one, I believe, for like I mentioned before, 1,160 euro for two of us for 4 nights.
It's like 250 a night almost.
250 a
or
night.
something.
By New York standards, I think it's very reasonable.
This is a nice little treat. Probably wouldn't do this every day because it's $30
Per person, yeah.
per person, and you could just go get a bagel around anywhere for like
Half of,
$10.
maybe not half of that, but like.
yeah, and still be fed, you know. Nice treat to do it like once, but yeah, probably wouldn't do this every day because it wouldn't be worth it for me. I wouldn't be eating this much. I've added extra here, and part of me is like, should I go back and get more?
I get some fruit.
Because it's so, like $30 is a lot. But sure, look, we'll enjoy it. We're treating ourselves. We're on a honeymoon. It's okay if you're going to fill up the plate, but if you're just having a small little breakfast, it's not going to be worth it.
At least there is a good choice for people.
What is a lovely choice of food in there. Like, have to say, the choice that you're getting is nice. And look at the view as well. We're just surrounded by all the buildings.
So that's it for now. Next, we'll go to Miami, and we're actually staying in this stunning place in Miami. We'll definitely drop a review as well. So we'll see you soon. Make sure you like, subscribe. That all helps our little channel grow, and we'll see you in the next one.